Ever have one of those moments where everything seems fine until it really isn't? Well, today's video is full of exactly those situations. Quick turns from normal to hilarious. I was so confused when I heard him kick it into gear LMAO. What did he think might happen? Mom and dad must be so proud. The first one is on the first day of work. The second one is on the last day of work. Rumor has it, he still hasn't fully grasped the matter of the situation. Tie your shoes quickly. Is it like that? It would be funnier if the shoe sole stayed still. Do not go to the clinic when you are hungry. You missed uploading the video where you clean your joke. When you have unluckiest moments on luckiest day.
Yes! It's Christmas. Yes!
The lesson here is always keep an eye on the ball. Her laugh is like that filter that distorts. Lucky that furniture saved the day and the walls. Wouldn't expect anything less from a dude wearing jeans and sneakers on the course. Once upon a time, Pandan was exactly like this, a new way to serve chopped meals. Bro just excitedly slipped in his happiness. Coffee with natural human saliva or some extra oxygen.
Oi.
A new way to serve chopped meat. The catch is not relieving lol. Catches everything lol fishing even on dry. He did it because he wanted to. It must have already been burned.
Tirei, faz uns testes.
The angle from the beginning, it was all planned. I told you to get down with your hands. Hope you're smarter when you drive. He wanted to teach you how to walk, and you wanted to learn how to get a degree. Whenever I want some aesthetic clips of my kitchen hobby. Hence proved, press is always a bad decision. Basically, the boy fulfills the function of safety wheels. Reforestation planted perfectly, the new tree delivery system looks amazing. When you try to be cute on your first date, purely me and my grace. Got over my fear and immediately fell like this. This reel gives me stress.
Hello.
What you did was harder than what you had to do. CrossFit is the favorite sport of orthopedists and physiotherapists.
Uma atençãozinha.
Is it possible to sponsor a tasty property at this rate?
$5. $5.
The perfect example of the person who work on the deadline. This is the person who goes to do good deeds, becomes a disaster. When the glass falls, it's like there's someone screaming. That genuinely looks like my coworker, the way he started glitching. Volcano cake I've seen, but Brumadinho dam cake is the first time. Dude thinks it's a holy cross to hit the front wheel. The gym doesn't provide a cage for free squats. Dad waiting for the fail, mom gives a push to succeed. Dude's a boss didn't even put down the cig. Usually when it hangs like this, we put a tape on the side to stop it. She always wanted to be a mermaid, and sea makes her wish fulfill. And that's all the chaos we've got for today. Hope these funny fails gave you a good laugh. Hit like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.